Good morning, guys. I just woke up. I'm gonna be vlogging today. I actually have a lot planned for this weekend, so yeah, spend my weekend with me. Just made my bed. Y'all are literally balanced on a phone holder thing on top of a package that I just got today, containing a product that I'm gonna do a review on later. If anyone needed to know that. That's how chaotic my morning is. We have to do something about this. So, just to give a little rundown of what I'm doing today, I'm going to one of my friend's graduation parties. So, that should be really fun. And then, I'm not sure what we're doing after. I might come back here, maybe go live, I'm not sure. And tomorrow, I actually have this festival thing I'm going to. I'm not really sure exactly what to call it, but I will also take you guys along with me. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see more of, because I definitely need some ideas. I want so badly to be able to talk with you guys about things that's going on in my life right now, but I can't make it too specific. Boys question mark? Who said that? Perhaps. Perhaps not. The world may never know. I just realized something. I haven't done a Q&A yet. I need to get on that. What platform I would start asking questions on though. Probably TikTok. But I don't even know if I can do that. I would do it on Instagram because it's easier. But I literally have all of 36 followers, which is fine. But maybe I'll post on all three of the big platforms. That's smart. That's smart. I'm not gonna comment too much on the boy drama because I don't know who's lurking. I feel like this is kind of sort of horrible lighting, but it's fine. This is just a glimpse into my real life. And that's what this series is all about. I just realized something. This is the first video, if I'm remembering right, this will be the first video, kind of sort of, officially of this series. That's crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna finish my makeup. See you in a minute. I genuinely don't know how much footage I'm gonna be able to get today, but I'll do my best. Okay, my makeup is done. I have a package and we are going to open it together. I'm really hoping my tiny little scissors will work. This is such cute packaging. Oh wow, it's so much bigger than I thought it would be. We're gonna try this tonight and make a video on it. So that'll be exciting. I figured out why the lighting is so horrible, and it's because it's so gloomy outside today. But I have to go pick out an outfit, but before I pick out an outfit, I need to eat. I ended up going with this top with this tank top under it, and then this choker. I haven't worn chokers in so long, but that's what we're rocking with today. Not to brag or anything, but I was beating all of the guys there except for my one friend. He actually won, but I was in second place, so. I had a lot of fun bowling and hanging out in the arcade, but I'm ready to go home. We have to go to the store first though, so Before we went to the store though, we actually went to Texas Roadhouse and I got this really yummy drink. And by the time we got back home, I was exhausted, as you can see. I restocked my makeup stuff from Walmart. So, I'm gonna show you guys. First of all, I got this like contour bronzer palette because I've been using eyeshadow and I think it's time that I actually use a contour. So I'm gonna be trying that tonight actually before I take my makeup off. And then these two things are regulars in my makeup routine, so had to restock on those. I'm actually so excited. Fun fact about me, I've never used an actual contour palette. I know, yell at me all you want. I've only ever used eyeshadow, but it works. But I'm excited to try this. This is what it looks like, and I'm really hoping it's not too orange for me because that is a big concern. I already have some on, so it's kind of hard to tell. Honestly, it's pretty cute. It's very pigmented, so I have to be careful. It does look a little orange on me, but I feel like as long as I don't use too much of it, I should be good. The lighting right now is awful, guys. I apologize. Yeah. I feel like this looks nice. So I'm about to get in the bath and take all of my makeup off. I might film some videos first, not sure, but yeah, I'm gonna go get ready for bed. So I just got out of the shower, hence the crazy wet hair, but I'm going to be trying the new Medicube stuff that I got because yes, I do try every product before I review it for you guys because I would only recommend something that I like myself. But I'm really excited to use this. I also have the Night Collagen Wrapping Mask, so I'm probably gonna use both of them at the same time, see how it does. My face is breaking out a little bit, but I'm hoping it'll clear up by tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a go. I actually love the packaging. It's really cute and I love the pink. I'll be honest, it's very thick, but it seems like it absorbs really quickly into the skin. It's got collagen and niacinamide and I think hyaluronic acid. I'll have to check that, but I know it's definitely got collagen and niacinamide. Look at how glowy my skin is. I give it an A+ so far. I think I'm gonna go blow dry my hair, brush my teeth, do all the things, and yeah, that's the end of today. I think I'm gonna continue this vlog tomorrow, so. This is so satisfying. Kinda, sorta. Ignore the dots on my face. I have pimple cream on, but I'm gonna figure out something to wear. I think I'm gonna go with sporty today. I'm going on an adventure.
There's a bench.
So I got a pillowcase for that pillow that will match more of these colors because I'm trying to implement more red in my room. So instead of this old blue color, I have a new one. Ta-da! It actually matches that pretty well, and I'm excited to use it. So tomorrow I'm gonna wash them, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once my bed is made. This is how I know I'm officially getting old, when I get this excited.